Just want to share with you my room at the Tradewinds Island Grand Resort in St. Pete Beach, Florida. So here's our room, the bedroom part. The bathroom. The living area, and it actually comes with a kitchen area as well. Then we have a balcony over here, a small balcony, and we're overlooking the grounds, which has a pool. I think they have tennis courts. There's a mini golf place here. There's another pool over here. They have a couple restaurants, and then we have the beach. Ooh, and we're getting ready for the sunset even. That's our room. It's fantastic.